Baby's about to get her ears pierced. She is now 4 months. That's why I don't like doing this. I be running into everything. Anyways, she's now 4 months and there's Claire's. So I'm recording so we can get a little reaction and get some more content up. Because I haven't posted anything about my family yet. So that's what we're gonna do. No, why would I do a voiceover on a vlog? That makes zero sense. Alright guys, about to have them go to her ear. Before what?
She just don't know what's about to happen to her.
$100.
Mama did it to you, baby.
She's getting the white gold.
Mama
I feel like
did it to
gold
you.
is for old people.
Your mama did it to you. Don't be mad at me.
Look at her eyes with her Tupac headband. Where's Elijah? This is not a store for you, sweetie.
She's so happy right now.
She probably won't even care. She's so pretty. Yeah, she be crying when you be acting like you be popular. I'm scared. I'm more scared than she is.
Okay, so with the cleaning 3 times a day for 3 weeks. After 3 weeks, you guys can change out your earrings. Just make sure you keep your earring in for 6 months to a year, okay? Don't worry, we'll provide a solution open up for you. You guys, there is no extra charge with the solution. It comes with a starter kit, okay? Double? Yes, right now. No line. Oh.
Look at her.
Thanks, Marga, to clean her ears. Oh, she's so nice. So you're gonna have her face in me, okay? Okay, perfect. Yeah, just baby. So it's just baby, and then your pencil. And now I got to doctor ears. Hi, look at the girl. I want to catch her attention. Hi, look this head.
Hey, girl.
Oh, I think she likes my headband. Let's try some. Yeah, I have another one right here.
I'm so scared.
And then can I see that one real quick? Yeah, so the piercing is free, but you're just paying for the. It's okay. So she's doing it how she does her shots, okay?
Awful.
So 1 gram to 1 gram like this. Your other hand is going to hold her forehead down. That's so I know. Okay, and then just bring your elbow up like this. There you go. Okay.
Poor baby. Look at her smiling.
Facing towards me? Yes. Yeah. Does mom want to stand over here?
Stand over here.
Yeah, so she can look. Hi, look at her.
Hey, girl.
Sorry, I'm trying to get her. Okay, more way. Yep. Whenever you're ready. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. It's okay. There you go.
Ooh, she don't really care. Fix her headband.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, she looks so pretty.
So pretty.
Let me see her.
She okay.
Told you. Just a little bitty whine. Good job, girl. Now we gotta give her some ice cream.
She's slobbering.
That's so pretty. Okay. Oh. Look at that pretty girl. What? She did so good. Told you she wasn't gonna cry like that. I'm so happy. That's different. Shots hurt. Say, mommy don't even like shots.
You okay? Got your pretty earrings.
Her diaper.
You look like daddy.
Like mommy. Look at her birthmark. I don't know who you mad at. Logic. Trying to get her back in the harness. Make sure her ears ain't anything. Alright, that's pretty much the end of that vlog. So, I'll try to vlog some more another day. Yeah, bye.